The pizza of chicken and magic herbs is really delicious, healthy, and easy. Make sure to save it because you'll need it. The dough is incredibly easy too. Thanks for liking this post. Well, to start, we slice the chicken breast thinly or pound it with a meat tenderizer. Then we add sliced onions, mustard sauce, and the magic herbs I mentioned in the caption. We marinate the chicken with these ingredients in olive oil and let it rest in the fridge for an hour. Now, for our dough, we mix sifted flour with yeast and salt and sugar in a bowl, mix it, then add milk, and finally, gradually add the water we have to our dough until it forms. Now, we knead the dough for about 5 minutes. After that, we add room temperature butter or oil to our dough and knead it for another 5 to 7 minutes. After kneading, we shape it into a smooth ball and let it rest for about an hour until it doubles in size. After resting, we need to grill the chicken breast, or you can fry it in a pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, slice it into thin strips and set it aside. Now, chop the eggplants finely and soak them in salt water for 10 minutes. Then, pat them dry with a cloth and finally fry them. After letting the dough rest, if you want your pizza dough to be thin, divide it into 2 parts, shape each into a ball, and cover them for 10 minutes. Let them rest. After resting, roll out the dough balls thinly with a rolling pin to about 25 to 30 centimeters. Then place it in a greased pan. And, like this, spread the dough with your hands. Now cover the dough and let it rest for another half hour. After resting, spread sauce on the dough, but there's no need to sauce the edges. Then sprinkle mozzarella cheese and finally add grilled chicken along with your choice of vegetables. Here, I've used fried eggplant, bell pepper, mushrooms, corn, and sliced onions. You can also use olives and such. Then sprinkle a little more mozzarella cheese on top and place it in a fully preheated oven. Guys, make sure to read the caption and finally enjoy your delicious pizza. Bon appétit!